Colors, colors everywhere. Mix them, splash them, learn and play. Come and have fun with Miss Happiness.
Hey everyone! Welcome to Miss Happiness's Art Studio. Are you ready to make some amazing art today?
Some fun? It's time to mix, match, and make brand new colors.
Today we're gonna mix colors like magic. Get your hands ready, clap with me.
Say it with me. Mix, mix, mix. Come along and be my color scientist. Let's go!
Red and yellow make orange. 1, 2, 3. Here comes yellow and cool blue. Mix, mix, mix. Green, green like trees and grass. Blue is calm, red is bright. Let's mix them tight. Purple, purple like grapes and rainbows.
Red is strong.
White is light.
Together they make
Pretty pink like cotton candy. White, black. Mix them together. Gray, gray like clouds on a rainy day. Red, all the primary colors together. Color mixing is fun. Let's try more. Mix, mix, mix. Smile big, shine bright.
Thank you for learning and playing with me today. Remember, keep smiling, keep learning, and stay happy with Miss Happiness. Bye-bye. Hi everyone. Welcome to class. Let's learn together.
Hello, I'm Miss Happiness, ready to help you on your learning journey.
A, B, C. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Subscribe and learn with us. New videos every week with Miss Happiness. Hello, my smart little friends. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Let's learn, let's play, and let's smile every day.